You sure we gotta do this, Sonic? This is Robotnik's fortress.
If a guy's been locked up for 30 years, he needs rescuing.
Sonic! This place gives me the creeps. Wah!
Yeah, and that's the biggest creep of all.
Ah!
Relax, kid. I'm not gonna bite.
How about claw, choke, or kick?
Are you the guy Robotnik locked up 30 years ago?
The one and only. Name's Lucas.
Well, stand back, Lucas. We're busting you out of here.
Uh-oh. Look!
It's one of Robotnik's little pals. Sure is one mean-looking son of a can opener. Speaking of looks...
Who are you primping for? The Undertaker?
Least I can do is give him a fair chance. I'm waiting. When fast thinking is of the essence, I'm the essence of fast thinking. Sorry we can't stick around and play. Got a chug bug. Get do and call me in the morning.
I hate that hedgehog. Quick, prepare the egg blaster.
Rotten egg bomb in launch position.
Fire!
Now which way is out of here?
Rotten egg bomb!
Yeah!
Hold that thought.
All right, Sonic!
Excuse me, I got a breakfast date with Robotnik. You guys get out of here and meet me by the river.
Hear anything, your vileness?
Shh. Yes, I hear it.
Your repulsiveness! It's the egg bomb!
Of course it's the egg bomb, fool.
Sunny side down. Tell me when.
Nincombats, get him!
Hey, thanks for saving me. But why'd you do it?
Nobody should have to stay in a dungeon for 30 years. Why does Robotnik hate you so much?
It's all about Lucinda. My beautiful, wonderful Lucinda. It all seems like yesterday. We were lab partners at our high school chemistry class. I was just working up the nerve to ask her to go steady, and Robotnik didn't like it.
Why does he get all the luck? Lucinda should be my lab partner and my girlfriend. I'll take care of him. Lucinda!
You did this.
Yes, Lucinda, for you. I have such dirty, rotten plans in store for Mobius.
Well, count me out.
But I want to share my villainous life with you, Lucinda. I'll give you a quarter of everything I plunder if you go steady with me.
Never, never, ever, not in a trillion years.
I suppose this means marriage is completely out of the question.
Oh, Lucas, dear Lucas, are you all right?
Y'all pay for this.
Just after that, Robotnik was expelled and began his villainous career. When he built his fortress, I was his first prisoner.
Wow, so what happened to Lucinda?
Who knows? After all these years.
Hey, come on. She may be waiting for you.
For this? A walking haystack?
If she stood up to Robotnik like that, she really must have loved you. Come on, time's a-wasting.
What's the hurry?
Are you kidding? She's been waiting 30 years. I can't stand waiting 30 seconds. We're taking you to Lucinda.
I don't care what it takes. I'll give anything to have Lucas return to my dungeon.
Anything?
For that decrepit old hairball?
That hairball stole the one thing I treasured most in life, besides having power and committing rottenness, of course. My beautiful, wonderful Lucinda. It all seems like yesterday. We make such chemistry together, eh, Lucinda?
Oh, Robotnik.
Everything was perfect till that too-good-Nick muscle-brain Lucas showed up.
Get lost, you low-life scum. Lucinda and I have a date to sing to the orphans at the hospital.
Let go of me, you clean-cut cootie.
Get your hands off my girl.
Your girl? We'll see about that. Ow!
Robotnik, you saved me from that goody-goody bonehead. You're my hero.
Oh, so where is she? How come we never met her? Hello? Your malevolence?
Yeah! What happened? Where is your Lucinda?
Did you marry her and live happily ever after?
No. I want Lucas back in his cage, now.
Oh!
I bet they'll be heading for the Mobius jungle.
The jungle? Why?
Lucinda teaches there in a little schoolhouse. If you bring Lucas and Sonic back to me, you can name your prize. Anything.
Your Egomatic hovercraft?
Yes.
This fortress?
Yes. I said anything.
You mean like that wrench set over there?
Duh, even the wrench set.
See ya. I can't move.
What are you griping about? You wanted that wrench set, didn't you? Mobius Canyon! That's the place to catch him.
I'll shoot that Scratch. I'll catch Sonic first.
Don't think your trap will work.
Sure it will. See, you come along here and step in the snare and get yanked up in the air, releasing that branch, which will bat you into that pit.
Gee, I can't visualize it.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You must be really, really dumb. Look.
Now I get it. See ya, scumbot.
Gotta go, Slow-Mo.
The Scratch will get him. No, he can't him.
It's time to give up, Sonic. You've already been over half of Mobius and talked to everybody, and we still have no idea where Lucinda is.
We just haven't been asking the right people.
Oh, this time I'm in charge, and they won't get away. It's the Hedgehog!
Yeah. Oh, that is real smart, Scratch. Just wait till I tell Dr. Robotnik what a failure you are.
Gosh, I feel kind of sorry for him. Makes me want to give him a hint and tell him where we're going.
After the dirty, rotten trick you just pulled?
Oh, Grounder, you moronathon! We don't need the dumb Hedgehog's dumb hints!
Right, I knew that. Yeah, you dumb hedgehog! We already know you're going to Lucinda's schoolhouse in Mobius Jungle!
Lucinda, here we come!
You got it, Ace. Let's race.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Hold up, Sonic, listen!
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
It's Lucinda!
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
She's just as pretty as I remember.
Now R is for rotten. for Lucas. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Kids really like her, don't they?
Yeah, she's really something.
Lucas, where you going?
Well, I can't face her. It's the Lucas I was 30 years ago she wants.
Lucas, go on. She's waited 30 years. Going on 31 if you don't hurry. I'm waiting.
All right. Lucinda?
Lucas? Lucas?
Lucinda! Let me out of here! Lucinda!
Lucas! Lucas! Lucas!
Come on, little bro. This isn't the way the story's supposed to end. Chicken tracks. The badniks got him. Gotta speed, Chief.
Remember, I'm the one who spotted him first.
But I'm the one who captured him. I should get the reward.
Neither of you are getting anything, because I'm getting out of here.
Hey, let's get away.
Hey, what's happening? Who's there?
I'll put you back where you belong, you despicable ruiner of robots!
You can lock me up, Robotnik, but you'll never win Lucinda's heart.
We'll see about that. Shush!
Whoa! It's the Hedgehog. He's
Doing exactly what I want him to do.
We're getting warm, little buddy.
Warm? In a minute, you'll be roasting, Hedgehog.
Lucas, my man, time for your date with destiny.
Sonic! The volcano exploded!
Time to fly, guys.
Sonic and Lucinda's true love are past tense, ancient history, and future fossil fuel.
But Dr. Robotnik, I thought Lucinda loved you.
Yeah! She has Robotnik's picture up in her classroom, doesn't she?
She does? Maybe there's still hope.
This I gotta see.
There's no way out!
Not necessarily.
Where's he going?
Could be any place.
Oh! Whoa! 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 Hey! Whoa! What?
Huh?
Hop a ride, guys. Hey, Lucas, you okay, pal?
I wonder if Lucinda'll marry Robotnik.
That soft-boiled egg brain? She's got better taste than that.
He's powerful, rich. What have I got to offer but head lice and a bad haircut?
Tell you what, Tails will take care of the bad hair, and I'll take care of the bad nick. Deal?
Deal.
What am I going to say? I love you, Lucinda. Will you have me? Please, 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 please. Not bad. I sound like a groveling worm. I've got to be strong, manly. Marry me, Lucinda, or else. Ooh, not bad. Not bad. Lucinda?
Robotnik.
Lucinda? Marry me, or else.
Okay.
You will? Oh, Lucinda, you made my day, my week, my year.
The fun has just begun.
Do you take this woman to be your wife? To have and to hold, for richer, for poor?
Yes, definitely. Yes, I do.
And do you take this man to...
Of course she does.
Then you may kiss the bride. You are now man and wife.
Ah! Why, you...
What's a wedding without some rice?
Why, you... Ah! Ah!
Smile! And a piece of wedding cake. Or 2, or 3. Mwah. Delicious. Yummy, hubby. Almost forgot your wedding present, sweetie Nick. I hope you like it.
Wow!
Happy honeymoon, Road Nutnik.
I hate that hedgehog. Ow!
Guess I'm done for the day.
Maybe not, Your Honor. Hold on.
You look hot, Lucas. You can't get cold feet now. Anyway, if you wait much longer, I'll have to give you another haircut.
All right. I just need a little nudge and I'll...
How's things, little girl?
Lucas! Lucas, is it you?
Yes, Lucinda, it's me. Well,
I'm waiting.
Yeah, we're waiting.
30 years is a long time, Lucinda. We've got no time to waste. Will you marry me?
Lucas!
I guess that's a yes.
So what are we waiting for?
Welcome to the Love Can't Wait Wedding Chapel.
So, what are we waiting for?
We're ready.
We're all gathered today.
Wait!
And who are you supposed to be?
Best Hedgehog, of course.
You better believe it.
I love reading. Books can take you to faraway lands and exotic places, or show you how to see everyday things in a way cool way. Too bad some people have a problem learning how to read. If you know someone that has trouble reading, tell them to ask a teacher or get help at a local library. All they have to do is ask. I'll tell you, there's worlds of fun in reading.